Do you struggle with oily skin, constant shine, and breakouts? Don't worry, in this video, we'll explore the best natural remedies to control oily skin and keep your face fresh and glowing all day. Remedy 1. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera helps absorb excess oil while keeping your skin hydrated. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on your face before bedtime, leave it overnight, and wash it off in the morning. Remedy 2. Lemon and Rose Water Toner. Lemon contains vitamin C, which reduces oil, and rose water balances skin's pH. Mix 1 teaspoon lemon juice with 2 tablespoons rose water. Apply with a cotton pad as a natural toner. Remedy 3. Gram flour and yogurt pack. Gram flour absorbs extra oil, while yogurt cools and nourishes. Mix 2 tablespoons gram flour with 1 tablespoon yogurt, apply evenly, and wash off after 15 minutes. Remedy 4. Green tea rinse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that help control oil and reduce acne. Use cooled green tea as a face rinse daily for fresh and oil-free skin. Remedy 5. Cucumber Juice Mask. Cucumber soothes the skin and controls excess oil. Apply cucumber juice or grated cucumber on your face for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. By adding these simple remedies to your routine, you can control oily skin naturally and say goodbye to unwanted shine. Be consistent, and your skin will soon look balanced, clear, and healthy.